If it's your first time watching, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new content. All right, we are heading to 130,000 subscribers, so we need all the help we can get. Yo, I don't like where you're going. I come check me out last night.
I never know see you serious.
Yo, what? Good thing I go wash it and turn it down. Right now, when I come down there. Wash him so far out it.
Where going, uncle?
Where go on?
There, you know.
What kind of hairstyle have you in the girl?
My hairstyle is the chill back hairstyle. Them I wear.
Chill back?
Yeah.
That's make it look like a mad somebody. What kind of dress in that show up navel and one bag or something that?
I don't go studio, I go take some picture.
Yo, you know what? Left in front of me, come over yourself. We are talking about you like the girl on the roadside.
Remember see me?
Yeah, creme. Yo, yeah, creme. Yeah, what? Go cheer, put on clothes, man. Yeah, you can't walk, good boy, you no look at me again.
Good afternoon.
Oh, hi, how are you doing? Good afternoon.
So I'm here to take some nice studio photos. What's the cost for them?
You want some like full pictures and stuff like and
Yes.
model type?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you look it. Anyway, we have a price starting from 5,000 up. Okay? We started like 5,000, we can give you like 8 images for that. Okay? But what happens still? I will let Brian take care of you. What happened, you don't have to pay now, but I'm going to send you around and let him take some pictures with you. And I'm going to give you the opportunity to pick the ones that you like, and then we're going to work with it. Alright, but trust me, you're going to like them, man. This guy is going to take very good care of you. Brian! Yes, man. Come here. I have a client here to take care of here. Alright, come from the photographer here. Let's go around and take some nice pictures of that, please. So it's the first time in a photo shoot?
No, my second.
Yeah? Yeah. Alright, just set up for me. Right. Right. Sink in. Right, here we go. Smile. Uh-huh. Right, yes. Mm-hmm. Stretch up. Right. Ooh. Ooh. I like your smile. Your smile is so beautiful. See that?
Yeah, that's
Right,
nice.
that looks. Try this one. Try this one. Try. Stand up. Stand up. I want you to like pop your lips, alright? Go like this. Smile. Now smile, look right up here. Mm-hmm. Right. Right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Titty. Yes, there you go. There you go. Hold on, don't move. See that? I like it, I'm see this. This should be mine. So are you from the nigger here?
Yeah, I'm just right up here at Nampel Road.
Yeah?
Yes.
I know me live like just a little bit from there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my mom live up there, but you don't have a boyfriend.
No, not at this moment.
That's good. I would love to take picture of you all day. My camera loves you. And I want to love you too, if it's possible, you know? So slow mo. There you go. There you go.
So when are these photos will be ready?
Well, like home live so close to you, I could just drop them off later and you just give me a number.
Yeah, okay.
That's I hope there's more, there won't be any trouble.
Daddy,
Yeah.
what you there, man? Come in, man.
Yeah, come in.
Yeah, man, come.
So this is my boyfriend, my husband to be. So this is Brian, my father.
Well, Brian.
Respect for
Real, man. Alright, here we go. Have a seat here. I'm go have a small talk with Brian outside. It seems to me like a nice person, you know. You see me? You're sure so you can take care of my daughter?
Yeah, that woman, she in a good hands. Take care of her. I love her too, you know.
Come on, feel sure that she's alright, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. She good, man. She in a good hands. Me not do nothing for hurt her. Anything where she get, she can manage it, man. She in a good hands, man. I'll tell you what you have, man.
Alright, hear me I say now. You're my daughter and nothing. See him, young man. Make sure it's everything alright over there. You get me? Because I'm one daughter this. You see me? Me not have no worry part thing for set to you. Just make sure everything alright. You see me?
Don't worry yourself, daddy man. Everything good, man. The daughter not good.
Alright, just go deep. No smoke something, man. Just go on inside. No have a look at that, man. No chase.
You stay long?
No, I'm there, someone. Right to somebody, man.
Alright.
God no, I'm never really ready for this set still.
Yeah, so you're never ready yet. The baby can be a blessing in disguise.
What we are gonna name him though?
Yeah, see, him can be a girl because I always
A
dream
him
for-
man, that the goal level me score is a him.
Well, I think it's a girl. So, what we are going to do right now?
It's no problem.
We'll cook dinner. Yes, Daddy.
Oh, what daughter?
Me there here in a pain, you know.
Kind of pain. Your stepmother left one package over your fear, you know.
Oh, she come.
And and me have some yama and dashing and banana fear, so.
Okay,
Let's
yeah.
come pick them up. Come check me in my yard, man.
Yeah, man, me can't come today, in idea, yeah.
Alright, I'll wait for you.
Alright. Oh, I'm just going to call you, you know. Daddy said he has some food on the yard. Come on, come. Tell us me can't manage this. Come, man.
Just,
Me don't talk
What's your
to you
number?
already, so me can't manage this.
so me just put in it, just a tips, just a tips.
And I like you know my situation already. I understand, but listen, it's because the moment me get pregnant, my hormones them change. Me not have no feelings for sex again.
You don't have no feelings for sex, or you don't have no feelings for me. That's
Everything just gone.
why it's... Jesus.
You have to understand when the pregnancy over, if you research upon Google, it tell you it's normal. No feelings in there again. For now, can't do nothing about it.
So what you expect me to do? Eh? How much months now we not do nothing?
So what you want me to do?
Listen, how much months now we not do nothing? Me can't touch you. If me touch you, you run me, you treat me like a dog. Me a man, you know. And the doctor say if you have sex every day during this pregnancy, so the baby can come out zoops.
Well, I don't know what you expect me to do, you know. I don't know where you want me to go. But anyways, my father called me, said my stepmother sent some things down there for me, and he has some yam and dashing down there. And remember, so far when I have no money, so it good. Best me go for them.
If me not get nothing, me not get no money. So stay there.
Don't worry yourself, me so happy with money. I feel like I could play week.
I buy you want me go up a bridge, go buy. You not get no money if me not get nothing.
Stop the foolishness. Remember, so we have the rest of the baby things them to buy. I mean, I want to have baby and the rest of all I things them to buy. You understand what me I say? So if you get up all I money, when if you get up and make sure say baby having something else, say baby can alright when you ban. You know what you talk about, you know. But me don't know. Daddy! You come on, man.
Oh, go on. Hold on there. Let me get one shape here. You're welcome.
So what going on, Daddy? Wait things them there. You just give me a chair to sit down, so what's happening?
Man, them man. I told me they want. All I reason with this thing before you go.
Okay, that's fine. Hope you're nothing bad, you know.
No man, nothing wrong man, nothing bad. Just want to check up on you and the baby, you see me? I'm not even call them. If you come down there, I'm not even come down there. I want to ensure say I'm a grandson, you know, I'm a first grandson, you see me? I want to know if say I'm alright, you see me?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying. Understand? And you know, say, me too buy up all my baby things them. Cause you don't know, so since I'm pregnant, me now work. Brian now work neither. So you don't know, so things that you really are going where you want it to go for you.
So
If you can help me out and buy up some and something them, that be good. But I really appreciate that.
No worry yourself, man. Me make you get that, man. I mean, I'm going to house for something them for you, but as I say, if you keep on check me, you see me?
Alright. Thank you so much, Daddy. Yeah, go make some soup and now. So,
You carry one more time again, yeah?
yeah, man.
So take care, yeah?
Alright, Daddy.
I step my ID for you.
Alright, so let's say hi.
Yeah, man. We see you.
Yo, babes.
Why want me?
Oh, yeah, go on. I want to make a link you.
What? Why am I so rush?
What do you mean rushed? You don't miss me?
Brian, anytime you get the voice note, you me out a road that come with some bag, you know. Come help me with the bag, them man. Me a call the phone and me not get you.
You are going like so you know a woman here you live with.
Yo, babes, cut that out, man, and stop going with foolishness. That not nothing to do with nothing, man.
That have something to do with something.
Babe. I made it on the phone. Talk about me, you know. My day was good, my day was normal, and I should be deep inside you right now.
This way, I wanted to baby. You want to me and you alone, but your baby mother sitting in the picture.
Babe. So what you know, man? Let me just go and link you up there, yard, man. I'm going now, man.
I don't understand how you move so rush here, you alone.
Why you have to call it rushing? Why you have to say rushing? What's the woman? She's not in the picture. Don't worry about her. She's not really in that picture like that.
You're acting like you're desperate.
You're desperate for you, yes? Miss you, you know?
Hello! Sadi Sadeni Ado.
Me call her back, sis, me call her back.
Sister, imagine about 2 hours now me a call your phone to come help me carry bag the entire bag then heavy. And you're there in here, I chat to girl on phone. You know say you want
My
with
sister me a talk to, what you talk about?
Sister? Which sister? You know how long me there so listen conversation where you there on the phone with? What kind of sister?
Yo, you see, I didn't see me I tell about, you know. You see, since I get pregnant, you know, you're not enticed. Me look on them big old clothes the way you wear. And you come so me can't even get no sex.
So when we did that broke you down and cock you up and jump off a rooftop and go and bend so me never boring. When we did that, you know say you no man a wicked. You no man a wicked, you know, but no worry yourself. You say you know you play with me, I gonna hang you. Try no ramp with me.
So then they threaten me.
Threaten you? Me only give you a warning.
You know how long I want the opportunity just will left you. And yo, listen to me. Them me sit here me can't take. You see me can't even see your breast them since you breed. Me can't get nothing. Me just step on phone and ask my sister about up on my mother yard and something. And you come in here with a little excitement. You not even come find out if me hungry or nothing. You come tell me.
So if you're pregnant and get up and come cook you.
You think say nice to me as a man? Me there for all months. Me not get nothing. Eh? And you come in with a little excitement. You like to put on something sexy again. Me can't even touch you. Me can't even look at you no more. Me can't even look for you.
You don't feel like you're gonna lock your eye them. Lock your eye them.
Sorry to me, man, because you get from my nerves to you.
How where you go?
What do you mean how me I go? Me I go to my mother yard.
Go out your mother yard. After me here for 4 weeks, you get your top boy, you go to mother yard.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Don't worry yourself, you hear? You have to come back.
I have to come back.
You have to come back, don't worry yourself, you hear?
Hi, Janice.
Alright.
Yeah, man, just a fresh and something. They are going in.
I'm not going with me, just here and just look at the crate of the farm, so I can get one piece.
Alright, time to, you know. So I can just carry a bag. Yeah, come on, come live. We have rooms, you know. I can lift you up and walk from room to room.
And I hear your mother live?
Mommy downstairs. Mommy no business with we.
But me know why your mother hear when we are.
Can't cover your mouth, man. Come on, mommy is not gonna hear us.
You know my style already. We can't keep quiet.
You know, I like the sound you make like Brie. But you sound sexier than her though. Come on, you know that.
Oh, where do we go up now? My mother did it.
Come on, mommy not do that.
Oh, Saya see you there.
Who that?
I'm baby mother. Saya see you there.
Easy, no man, easy.
Hey, me there Jamaican now. Let go for me now.
Easy,
Hey
sir.
girl, go on in your yard now. Go on in your yard now.
Me there.
I see you there.
Easy yourself, man.
Saya see you there. Go on no girl.
Move from mother yard.
Saya see you there.
Move from mother yard.
Sharon!
Stop it nice.
And this is so not yard though.
Watch out. Relax now, relax now. Stop it.
Miss Sharon!
Oh, stop it
And this is so not yard though. Everybody! What this boy? And this one got to pick out of me
Come on,
yard.
babe, come on.
Girl, go on.
Worthless. I'm gonna make you welcome to know you're worthless. You're worthless now. So driver, you think you're gonna drop me around in a lane?
Miss, you are going to know. You see, in a field lane, the road too bad. Every time I grow in a field lane, I either look out front end, punch a tire, all sort of sitting happen to my car. I can't afford to grow on this. No matter how much money you pay me, I can't grow on this, so I'm sorry.
Driver, you're not to be so heartless, you know. Imagine me pregnant and me have 2 heavy bag around this, so. And you tell me you can't drop me around a lane. Me go get a little extra for the money, man. Come on, man. Come on, driver, man. Drop her around a lane. She pregnant, you know?
Miss, I don't tell you already, so I can't mash up my car. No matter how much you pay me, I can't grow on this. So, miss, please, don't get in an argument. I know you have to fix my car, I will let you out too, you know. So, let me come just help you take out your back there.
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, carry these 2 heavy bags.
You know what say, a supermarket me I come from and I come in and want taxi. And I say, me I beg the driver to carry me around in my yard. Mighty God, the driver heartless. He say he not go around there, carry and mash up in car and this and that.
What a man, what a wicked man.
Wicked man.
No, sir, I don't think he have a mother, a sister, or a grandmother. Out of one shell he must come from.
Around the minutes.
Honestly,
Not fast, you can't help.
anywhere you live, no matter if far or near, anywhere you live, I'll take the time with you. Alright, so just take your time. Don't stress. My God, me still can't believe the taxi man did that to you. But anyway, don't worry about him. I'm gone. I'm steal news. You're from around here, right?
Yes, as you say right, as you turn so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, as you turn left.
But you living with the baby daddy, right?
You know, so the dirty dog, they abandoned me and he picked me the worthless man.
Look at you. You look nice. You understand? I mean, know you're gonna have a healthy baby.
Yeah,
You
because I'm a
understand?
kick a lot, you know?
Yeah, man. Job protect you.
And, yeah.
What me I say still? Me not really want, cause me want to make sure you're alright. You understand? Cause for some reason, a job make me come here so to see you at this moment.
True.
So you know me feel so if you do, if you exchange number and if you keep it.
Yeah, you want to take mine or?
Yeah, me take you. You can't take mine tomorrow.
Alright.
So if your baby kick, you call me.
Alright.
You understand? So let's put it in my phone. Take your time. For me, because you see a woman like you, why you just need to press off, why you press off. You know what I mean?
Brian.
Where you coming from?
So you really mean to tell me say you gone left me and the baby? Me alone?
So more, if me not get no sex, what you expect me to do? What you expect me to do if you not give me no sex?
Me there hungry and tired if I know my father me not eat. Why you going so Brian?
Yo, more, you man, just avoid me, you hear me?
You can't just come back.
You not give me no sex, I'll find elsewhere.
You can't just please me, I beg you come back.
Come back where? Come to what? To who? When the baby born, me take care of the baby. But other than that, just avoid me.
You can't manage me alone, me need help.
What? You messing up. You see, you want a game thing, me not depending with you. Yeah? Me not depending gaming business with you. So just avoid me. When the baby born, or if the baby want nothing, me take up my duty as a father. Do what I'm supposed to do.
The baby want clothes now.
The baby didn't even born it, so the baby want clothes, even put on it, and he not born it.
So you want to born and have nothing to put on?
Me buy them and keep them up on my yard. When they do a hospital, me tell them come give you.
Alright, me not wild you know. Go and do your thing, man.
But I mean, I can't wild me.
Don't worry yourself, man. Go on for my phone.
Big
Go
up
ahead.
yourself. Big up yourself.
Go ahead.
Hello?
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, mommy. Wow, your voice sounds so sweet on the phone. I can mix with sugar.
What's up?
My God.
Boy, I'm there. You know, I'm there. I look at one mango tree and I say, boy, you know, as fruitful as that mango tree, you know, is, me I say, I just think about you and say, I wonder if you're alright. Just think about you. You know what I mean? I don't know if I think too fast or whatever the case may be. But, you know, I'm just a checkpoint. But is everything okay?
Well, you know, so me I gotta be honest, me not alright, you know. Right now, I want some food stuff and me I feel a lot of pain in my back.
My God. You know, so I really want to come make sure you're alright. I don't know if it's okay with you. You know, just want to come check you, see you, and do what I have to do. Because I don't want nothing to do here, you know. I want everything alright. But the thing is, you never really give me your information, like, you know, where you live. You know what I mean? So.
That would be good, you know. Yeah, me can give her the information and know when you come.
Wow, that sounds good. Right, I know me not far. Right now. So where exactly? Can you tell me down the road, but I never exactly know.
Well, when I turn left, and then you see a green and white wall house I grew up on the veranda. Yes, right there, so.
Right there, so alright. Expect me anytime. But tell me something, you want anything off the road, like any sweets, any ice cream, any, you know what I mean, cause...
No man, just come.
Alright, me I come right now, alright? So look for me in a few. Me no want shirt, we don't know me stay already. So me soon forward, alright?
Alright, me I wait for you.
Alright, Mama said. So far, right away. Yeah, man, you know, some of the what I get. What I get right now. The green and white ones. Yeah, alright? Boy. Billy, alright though. Yeah, so as I said, I just have to come check you and see what I go on. Can you say? And worse, me give friend now, cause me always forget, you know. So guess what? They give this, take this here, just $30,000, just hold on on it and take care of yourself until.
Thank you so much.
I don't want you know, I don't want to know say me out there so you need, you know what I mean, and all these things. So,
Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it.
so you know, me I said to myself, say, we are talking, we are reason, but up until now, me don't know your name, you know. Can you imagine?
Shaka, man. You can call me Shaka.
Alright. You're Shaka?
Yes.
I'm Public. Yeah?
Okay, Public.
What you mean?
Nice name too.
You know, say, really and truly, I want to get down to the matter, cause I don't know if you're wrong for me to think about you in a one way, even though I know you're pregnant, you know what I mean, and all these things, but I feel say, you know, like, I like you more than how me really would even like a normal person. You know what I mean? I'm more than really like for there in your life like that. But I don't know if I appreciate it. Tell me, you know.
Well, we all are human beings, you know. I'm a woman, you're a man. The only thing, me get pregnant for the wrong man. So nothing is wrong. Feelings that you're same way.
Okay. Alright, you know what? I feel the same way. I know me have feelings for you. You know what I mean? Seeing you, day as I talk to you, you know, I feel a different connection. You know what I mean? I'm not like you just did it.
Yeah.
So if you know, say, you know what I mean, everything possible, you know, you can take it from here and, you know, see where you go.
You're welcome anytime, you know, you can come over anytime. As me say, I really appreciate what you do because the little time, you know, you have done a lot. So that's very nice.
I mean, trust me, I'll do a lot more. You know what I mean? There's a lot more where, you know, can happen. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make it take a time and just rest out. I'm going to start out some things on the street. And I'm going to call you, check up on you every hour and the hour. If that's okay with you.
Yes, it's
come on,
okay.
don't see you alright.
Yeah, as I'm saying, I'm alright, I'm okay.
Alright, mama, see that. I love you, baby, alright, you know. Whoa!
New daddy.
Oh, yeah, babe. So guess what now, just take a time, do your thing, and later with that. Yeah? Later with that. Yeah, mama?
Alright.
Take your time, man. Get up. Take your time. Alright. Boy.
Babe, I know I always tell you over and over say I appreciate you. I know I say it already, but I have to say it again. Because what you do now, and any man would do it. If you see one pregnant woman and take them up and make sure so them take care of them and everything. You understand? I really appreciate everything what you do. And I don't know what I do without you. You really help. You do a lot in my life.
I'm telling this, baby girl. You see, in life, sometimes some things happen for a reason. There's a good reason and also a bad reason, because, you know what I mean, just like how you have day and night, everything always even out. So you see, it started out not so a great thing, but I make sure so you get through to having the baby at a superb, feeling. So I'm gonna take care of you, because you deserve it. You know what I mean? Because I not do it for me, I do it for you. Only thing me can do right now is to ensure say I'm gonna do the best for you. I want you to, just enjoy your life, because that's all I want. That make me happy. If you know, say the baby will come up now, go actually have a happy home. Because it's a blessing thing for your baby have a happy home, man and woman. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that baby. Listen.
Oh, my kick.
I know I'm gonna love you. Okay, anytime you come near me, always a kick.
Yeah, man, son. Come up. Oh, I can swag. Do I want to be a foot?
Yeah, you got to be nice.
Shaka. Wagwan, man.
Wagwan, soldier, you good?
Yeah, man.
How when me not see you?
I'm there, man. Work, you know. I get busy.
Yeah.
I'm there, man. I go to the road there.
Alright.
I'm going to see you. Yes, father. Alright,
So you good though?
yeah, man. You good?
Yeah, if I find that me I struggle with the pain, but me good man.
Alright, my general. Man has a respect.
Alright.
Yes, I am. You
Yeah.
again. I am.
Alright.
Brian! Yo, forward now.
April.
Welcome.
Them there, man. Asleep. Me there asleep now.
Me know you always asleep, man, but you know what I say? Something to come to tell you. I don't fast, me a fast still in a bad man. But me a your cousin, and you know, blood thicker than water. And I say I feel baby mother, me say a while ago, though, dog.
Which part?
On the road a while ago. With an other man, brother, one Rasta man.
Yeah, I say.
Brother, the Rasta man, whole hand, brother. In whole hand and a war, daddy.
You know, see that little girl there? Girl, you know, a nice girl, brother. That girl, let me take up, so me take up that girl, the girl has suffer, brother, like literally suffer like somebody who come from Africa, brother, down there, we have kwashioka, belly big and something. And me make that girl look like somebody now, you know. And you mean to tell me, say, the girl have man down there, brother. We just left not even 2-3 months good. And the girl have man down there.
But wait there, cuz. Seriously though. No joke. You sure say the belly there for you?
Brother, based on what you tell me, say, brother, that me have to wonder right now. Because this is a girl, girl not even wait till me breeze off good, brother. After a relationship, we have another man. I wait till the pick me at 2-3 and you have one next man. And I mean, you want to stress out myself and if you send money to the game. A girl a fool, a girl take me for you know.
Me never know so no left.
Brother, look on this now as a man to man. Now. Me and the girl there, she pregnant. Zane, 2-3 months me I try have sex or if you get little loving, brother. Cause you know say I saw man express their love and feelings through his sex, isn't me?
Yeah.
I mean 2-3 months, brother, me I try to touch a girl. The girl don't want me touch her. Nothing at all. Me can't get nothing. She not even do nothing.
So you tell me, you look like something they go on when you know about, man.
Obviously, because how me for that and doctor tell you say me fear in a right through the pregnancy me fear have sex. And me can't get no sex.
Ever hear them say action speak louder than word? Approve, she approved to you know, in action, you know. So I no fear it, you know. Cause me and your cousin, you know. Careful, I hear.
Just wait to tell me see.
Careful of the girl. Alright, no, I saw you go with all the women. And when they done, they say we are dog. But come on, we can go have a drink down the road. Come on.
B, you know say I want good man
Slow down, man. Slow down. Come on, not them to you, baby. Yeah?
I tell us say, from the dirty boy they gone. I mean I struggle. Come like say God sending in my life, you know.
That's a God time, man. God know when the right time, you know.
Right now me begs. I better than you me breathe for.
I say, man, don't worry yourself. I'll take care of him. Everything will alright. You don't have to worry yourself.
Okay! I say you try for this me. I say go down. I say go. Okay, understand? So them a style thing in the pan. Eh?
Who this is?
Well, I dirty boy when me that me I tell him.
Me not even gone 3 months good. And you there so I have man already. Right now I feel like I don't even my pitney that you know. And I come try to take man to hear that you know little girl. A fool you take me for?
Fool.
Eh? You come walk around and say with man. You never have feelings to me, but you have feelings to next man though. I come water me pitney belly.
Hello.
Eh?
When me did I beg you and I tell you if you stay don't go nowhere.
I'm if you stay you not give me no sex.
So when
you mad somebody?
How if you give you sex and we not no feelings for you?
You see you? You tell you say woman are wicked, you know?
Man are wicked too.
I style you want to style me.
Brother,
calm down, the man. Who you going, son? Just ease, man. Ease, man. You hear me, I say. I understand the circumstances between you and Sheena, but I don't know if you do it me, no. Sorry for getting between that.
Brother, you don't know what kind of stress that woman put me through, you know?
Listen, me, I say, man. Yo, listen. See, and about the stress when I've got through. About the baby, you know.
Brother, man to man. How you don't feel if you know, say, you have a woman, you breed her. 3-4 months in the pregnancy, you not get no sex. She not get no, she tell us she not no feelings for you. You see me? And then all of a sudden, people have gone tell me say she have man already. She not even wait. She tell me if she have pitney, she have man. But you never have no feelings to me, but you have feelings to other man. What kind of nasty style like that? Nasty lifestyle like that.
But are you left?
So what me not done for? You know, say take man for some yo, eat first somebody, one video.
Brother, say the same man, yo. And that's why she don't want you. She can't feel this to a man like you. What you do? Your man happen. What?
Good evening, Daddy.
Evening.
Can I sit down on the show?
Yeah, man, watch yourself, bro.
You know, say something I come to talk to you about, though. Not even need one tell you about it, but it reached to a point where I can't keep in you no more. You know, say, at 3 months now, me and Brian stop talk. We non-deal. Because one day, all the while me a catch him on phone with woman, and when me talk to him about it, he might go and like say, I lie me a tell her I not no right to talk with me a talk. And you know how well pregnancy thing work already. You know, so some woman from them, when they get pregnant, their hormones change. So me not to feel no connection like one time. So I make me know say my left and them I go out in business. So boom, we stop deal. We find a young man, and the man I deal with me so good. He willing to help me take care of my baby. Buy me anything when me need, and make me happy.
Hold on there. So them thing you go on and I not even come and make me know the fullness.
Daddy, you think of that alone? The boy come like saying want stress me out and make me lose the baby. If you want fight off him man, I come back on my yard, he want water baby head. So me I say to him, say when you did left, you never know say you want water baby head. Me I disrespect him, I say go on about your business, because I now make a stress me to make me lose with Pitney. One people something with him and the man down there, like he want disrespect him man, after I gone about his business. I just want you to talk to him. Because I know you respect you and everything, so anytime you see him, just talk to him, because I can't manage this.
Don't worry yourself, man. Never deal with him, man. Because I'm coming in and he seems like a nice person, so I don't expect this from him. But no worry yourself. When we see him, you deal with him.
Alright, Daddy, thank you. Can't bother with the stress. As we say, anytime you see me talk to him, you have to rush him over now, because I want to get something.
It's alright. It's alright.
Hello. Me did an argument today, no?
Me don't know argument either, I'm just want to talk to you about something.
What one now?
So, me and Brian in a relationship, we get pregnant, right? You know, so some woman when they get pregnant, like their hormones change. So like him there, and him I say, babe, when you get pregnant, you know, look sexy again. We not have no fun again, you not even, you know. This thing said, the hormones change. So somebody not no feelings for you, like one time. But that's because I pregnancy. My cousin him a go along, but I make me know say more left. Me I beg him, because I say you can't live so, because me not work. And the baby want things, but me want things so can maintain the baby. Me I call the phone and me not get him. I'm frightened me say I never talk. So I come to tell her no, me not tell her what you do in your relationship, but I make you know. Brian don't want good somebody. Because you can't hire an unborn baby and go and left him to other woman. You know, business you want to eat or me find my new boyfriend, you know. You understand?
Oh, you move on. So
right. So in the business where you want to do, me only I say, at least maintain your baby.
You know, say, Brian tell me, say, you not even think you baby a female and full up made a one only for foolishness. Because I come with the eye and I tell you, so I a baby mother drama, you know. You say, not like that, you know, show baby a female not even business with you, but anime, so talk. I'm glad to tell me because you see them a drama, you know, drama when me get out.
I say we are woman and we look good for you if you know say.
I don't lie, man.
Mind, you pick me and you sit down.
Thank you for telling me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright.
Alright, thank you. I
come over and nastiness, yeah. Brian! I can't understand you, you know.
Babes, what's wrong?
I can't believe you. I lose off here every day. You remember the time when you're so-called not baby mother? Where you tell me say you're baby mother. Come to me in the morning. And when you call me up, so you tell me say you're not to show baby a fear. And the girl mad and you do for business with her. The girl just tap me out there so. And tell me say, you have a turn ticks in her life and you do the good. As soon as she breed, as soon as the girl breed, you're going to let him in. You know my drama, yeah?
And you believe her? You know you're mad just as her?
Yes, make me mad. But you me no business now be mad and be father
Listen to me,
You're not going to see me again.
Babes.
You think I don't want problem always. I want you.
Make me mad. Make me mad. You think you're baby mother this? You think you're baby mother this? Me then I drama. I'm going to take care of your pity too. And if you touch me this morning, Brian, me fist out of your teeth out here again. No, me no get to ramp with. Oh.
Babes, relax.
Brian, just breathe me. Make sure you take care of it, you know. I raise me help
The
and me
babies.
self personally care you got caught, you know. Oh?
Stop the foolishness, man.
Brian, don't touch me, guys. Next time you touch me, I'll slap you in your face. Do not touch me.
Don't make money here.
Brian, don't play with me.
Relax.
Don't play with me, 'cause you know me head.
What is this for? What is this for? Janice, I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Janice.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you. To take care of the baby, which is going to be our baby. So what do you say?
Yes.
Park it somewhere proper cause I don't want them they could kill this boy, they go creep off here and all these things, alright?
Yeah.
So just take your time going and then you found. Yeah?
Alright, now don't pressure upon some, so me have it time.
Yeah man, take your time. Wife to be. Woohoo!
Oh yeah, there. You never say we left. But I want this.
Babe, come on. I'm sorry. Listen.
I want this. Come out here. Come out. Go.
Babe.
But this not normal. When we did there, you never do all them as saying.
Oh, this is for you, you know.
How your skin feels, sir?
All that, baby.
What is?
Listen, we're gonna do it tonight. I'm gonna make up. Babe,
Come God. Look here. Me beg you about 150 times. And by the way, you're not a new girl.
babe,
You're not in love.
this is my right banana, you know. What you talking about? Relax.
When the time
You know
comes,
you like this.
you will see a picnic.
You know you like this.
Like what?
So why you behaving like this?
Like that in I pass go.
Babe, come on. Babe, I come from a little right banana.
Hello. When him born, you can't come look for him. No, it's not the time. And by the way, me hold you off. My man just engaged to me a while ago. So me and you is no more. We're done and forever done. Come
I never know say that the man is serious.
Baby in this room.
Come.
I want him. You again, General.
Take him out. Try now.
I don't even take him out. You have 2 foot.
So this is what you really do?
Brother, step out of that place, man.
You know, say all this time I think a joke thing and I never know say and this man are really serious, you know.
Carry them go give you first now.
General, listen to me. You know say me I want humble youth. You don't know me, but I'm a very humble youth. And me do anything for my family. This a girl that me love her, you know.
Love.
As me say, you know the situation go. Me now get no sex and my head paranoid because when me dey a road, me stress out, brother. And when me come in, me just want to make love, brother. Me just want.
So hold on. Something wrong with you because how me I get through. You have to know how to deal with a woman, you know, and just on your own terms alone. You understand me? I say you want pleasure, but you have to please her. As she I keep her, you know. You want to score your goal, you have to take care of her as she. Because if she not shift, you can't score. So guess what now? Me understand your sorry story, but right now I feel me woman this. Because me propose to her and me take it to a different level. I'm serious. How you mean? I'm serious about certain things. Me loyal to she right now.
Yo, except I did one time when me a bad, you couldn't stand up and a shot to me in front of my woman. And that me I tell you.
I feel me woman.
Big up yourself.
Hey yo, come on to this place, bro. Come on to this place. Hey boy, come on to this place. 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 Hey, I want to know some me a bad boy. I show me know show some me a bad boy, you know, yo. Shut up, yo. Children know, you know, man. I don't want good worker. I don't want good on the road.
Just sit down, calm down. Me understand. And me sorry for everything that happened. I go talk to my father and my father go to him because this he really I get out of control. Me sorry for all of this.
Yo, man, I tell you, man. Your children know, you know, man. Yo, I see because I baby still. And you come here try to be a better man, you know.
Me come out like you want to hurt the baby.
You want to hurt the baby. That me I talk about. That's me so angry.
Yeah, uncle. You want to go on? Yeah, you good? Yeah. You didn't know I'm pregnant though. Yeah man, you can't come check me down a yard because I want to talk to you about something. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Come check me now. Yeah. Come in man, you do
I'm going to my big niece.
There.
Why the pregnancy I mash you up? The belly big. Yeah. Suck out the wall of you. Alright.
Take everything from me, man.
Yeah, man. I saw you go. You take what you take and go do what you do. So what I going for you now?
Yeah. So you know, so something I want to talk to you about. You know what I say? The man will get me pregnant. After a dirty boy breed me, you know, say boy gone. Just because I tell him, say, my hormones change and I not feel him like one time. The boy gone. So after I'm gone, you know. Remember say me not ugly, you know. And me man always a go come, you know. So one new man, me get a new man and the man a take care of me, I buy everything for the baby. And he make sure say me alright. And he take care of me, you know. And you know say the boy want in a problem. Want beat up me new baby father.
Who breed you though? The first baby father breed you or the second baby father? Who breed you?
The first baby father breed me.
Yeah.
And the other one now coming, the man.
The new man is in the baby father too?
Yes.
How come?
Because of him I take care of so he just turn over and
the next man is like a step baby father then?
Yes.
So but him a give a problem? Who a give a problem? Which one a give a problem?
The one we breed me I give me problem.
The first one?
Right, after I left and gone.
Oh, he left you?
Right, and to me find new man what at the time they want to come in now, can't take responsibility.
Oh, so he left you and now he want you back?
Right, can you see me with new man.
Can you see him jealous over you now?
Right.
But you and him done?
Me and him done.
You tell him say done?
Of course. So you know what say? One night, you know, the man proposed to me, you know. The last man when me find him proposed to me. The night when same night when me a come in, I man me come sit on my bed, flowers well string out, well aisle. Me have to say come out of my house, one piece of something with him and the man in our house.
Listen me now. My name Cutty. bad man maybe, you know. It's a story like them a story them a story like with Jerry Springer and Murray. You know what I mean? A them type of drama there, but this is true, you're my favorite little cousin. I go talk to the first one for you. But don't get seven of them something here. Why you never wait till you have the picnic go to one new man?
Yes, so sometimes when you wait, the opportunity can go. So once you get it, you take it. And if you never help me, I don't know what that happened to me right now.
That's why uno fi do all me tell you for this one small.
And you don't know say, I talk to my father about it and I make you know what I want. And I can't believe say man don't do nothing about it. So that's why I come to you now because I know say you know ramp with certain things.
But I said to you, you know, I bad. But I bad it with reason. You know what I mean? So you see, man and woman story and a really my thing. But I say the one reason, I go look into the case to you, I chew my knees and look like we stress you out. So I talk to the first one because end of the day, you and him still have some unfinished business because if I input it there, he go want it. You know. What you there? What name?
Brian.
You see if you there, Brian, from down the road there?
He stole you.
Alright, me just pass my road and me forward still now. I go page him for you, but hear me and say, take care of the youth.
Yeah.
And when the baby reach age, just give Brian the youth.
Yeah, me now no problem if you take me picnic.
Alright, so yo, just go and eat some food, rest yourself, and try to get back up your weight. Because you lose store time and you lose weight. Alright?
So you can't give me a thing and nothing can give me?
Here what? I do badness, and the charity and handout.
Alright.
Yo, what is one? Yo, I never disrespect you, you know. I fight out my biscuit.
Nothing no. You know, pay eat and talk. So I say to you now differently. You see the little girl wear braid? But you know some knees, right? As the rain a fall here. A true act, a man and woman argument. Make me not done here say you know. So see me here call me on myself. So you where you go do now? She tell me say you know stop watch her and stalk her, you know. You see something you put in her, you wait till come out to take it. But if I hear say, you make her head hurt her. You hear what's going on here? You think me name cut if you nothing? You know the best thing you do? You go apologize to her, you know. No make her head hurt her, you know. When she push out your picnic, you take your picnic and go on with that job. Maybe you know.
But my general, you know, listen to me. Me know you're a man. I love woman. You see me? But if you live in your house with woman and you say so and you want sex and you not get it, what you gonna do?
You go buy it. Take your money out of your pocket, go buy it if you want it. Left her at my niece that you know. You understand? So one thing, I don't want to make her hurt her daddy because me shell the place down.
General, I love your niece, you know. Because I take her when she did that
Yeah, well,
suffer,
now,
you know.
she say she have a new man now. And that she a do now. And she have all choice to do what she want to do. Because of my niece that.
Do you think that right?
Eh?
You think
Right?
that right?
Me not care about right or alright. If you're alright, attack at a back answer me. Eh?
Yo,
back answer me.
cut it easy,
Eh?
cut it easy, cut it.
Yo, Mr. Man. Go apologize to her, yo. Go apologize to her. No, in Irene. No. Right now, one Irene.
How would that? Where do you?
You know, I just come to apologize here, but I will tell the uncle, sir.
No worry about what me tell my uncle say. You see, I come to apologize, so apologize.
Alright, listen. Listen, I understand say that baby is mine, right? And respect your relationship and sorry for how me behave and thing, but me I go stand up for my responsibility to take care of my child. As soon as I'm born, just make sure say me get my child and something. But I'm really sorry. Me not go trouble you, not go trouble your relationship, me not go try it because but just want to remember say yo one monkey can't stop the show. You see me? And I say things say you move on, me move on too. You see me? So me just have to just keep rolling. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Take care of yourself. Me can't touch your belly.
Okay, BJ Brian Jr., Daddy love you here, or you can come out, and if a man
Anything come in there, just make she vomit right through. Alright.
We all are adults, you know. So me not gonna hold that against you forever.
Yeah man, my
So-
heart, listen, my heart clean against saying.
Right.
I accept the fact say I have a new man and you move on and you couldn't wait. You're not no patience, you couldn't wait to just a jump and you just jump in a one man and the wrong man hand. I say go but
Me not jumping at the wrong man hand. The man when me jumping at now, I do better than what you did I do before. And I'm so happy.
as I say, just take care of yourself, me. So me support me have some stuff over here, so I make her get them in a week. I make my mother carry them come here, but
Alright.
take care of yourself, but just remember, one monkey can't stop the show, so I have to just keep on rolling and you see me? We must find somebody who can actually hold me down and take care of it. Take care of yourself. Here BJ, Daddy love you. Take care here.
Alright.
Thank you for watching. It has been a pleasure to create this wonderful content for you, our viewers. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you do so right now. Hit the notification bell, share the video up with your friends, tell a friend, say, yo, go and watch Richard Brown Film. These guys are creating some wonderful content. Because you don't know, we are heading to 130,000 subscribers. So we need all the help we can get. So it is going to be upon you guys, which is our loyal supporters, to share it on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, and let people know about us so it can go and reach that far. All right. If you have not clicked the membership button in terms of to do your paid membership per month, please do so right now. We need all the support that we can get, because it's not like we have a corporate company or somebody backing us financially. We are all just doing this out of sheer love and out of the fact that we want to build something from ground up, because Jamaica needs something great. Jamaica needs its own little Hollywood. We need our own little Bollywood, so we can share our own experience. We can share our culture with you guys, because that's how the thing is going to grow, and that's how more people is going to know Jamaica and fall in love with Jamaica. It's when we tell our own individual stories in these films. So thank you very much. And also, let me, before me jump out, please, if you want to support us financially, you can always DM me on Instagram and say, yo, Richard, I want to send a thing on you for help. Continue do what I do. Or me have some used clothes or some clothes where I feel like me now wear where in my closet how long. You can pack one little barrel for their foreign. Send come give it. We said it go give some people who really need it, or we can use some of them in the movie, because at the end of the day, it's not like we can make up something and pretend like Jamaica is at a perfect place. We are still in the position where we still are trying to make nothing out of something. So help if you can, man. You don't know. And remember, please keep on sharing, because we not stop doing what we do until it reach 500,000 subs. So big up on yourself. We have something to say for you. Go talk to them.
Alright, but before going further, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. So your device, you know who it is, you know what I mean? Burn down to the ground. I've received a lot of calls, yeah. So, let us have a moment of silence. Yeah. For who pass, you know what I mean? Lexi. And more than one somebody in an accident, so we don't have a tragedy. And tragedy, we're not an accident, so we can't really say nothing about it, that's gone. But what we have to look forward to in life now, we have to try make use of the time that we are here on earth now. So speaking out to the world now, reaching out to the world, we are trying to make movie business in Jamaica a reality, not a fairy tale. And I get a lot of call of people want to be in movie, and as soon as them call and the prement in their mind, if they do one movie they're gonna be rich. I wish it was like that, cause I think we're gonna about 80 movie. I'm still broke, so I guess them won't go so far with it then if them really come into it, because I don't do it for the money, cause there's no money in it really, you know what I mean. So, but in the future, I think it can become something like reggae music. And when reggae music start, if you know the history of reggae music, no money never in it at first. But as soon as it reaches to the platform where it's international, you know what I mean, where you start working with some network across the world, you will see that income out of it. So we're at the grassroots now, building it from ground up, you know what I mean. Majority of people that we use never come before a camera before, you know what I mean. So even the one of us say they want to come to the movie, they never take a picture yet. Them I tell them what million they want to see, because them fees are so you go. But the reality of it, I know so you go. So we have to do it for love now, you know what I mean, and do it for the joy, and do it with the possibility, you know what I mean, say this is like a promise to the world that we are going to make something out of it, you know what I mean. So you're going to take what you take, and you're going to do what you do, you know what I mean. We never plan for that much, but with talent, a lot of talented people, we pass off and you will never know so they're so talented if there's no platform to really put out the work they more really want. It's the same thing with we too. Because we want to work we are doing, great work we are doing, we don't think we really get what we really deserve. But it's just like every other great man and every other great people. It take the fight and the struggle, you know what I mean? So you take what you take and you go do what you do. So big up to all the people who are, big up all the sponsor them, all the producer them, know yourself, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? And condolences go to the family and friends who lose someone in the tragedy, you know what I mean, over a period of time, you know what I mean? Rough, you know what I mean? So we there go and hold it all said way, you know what I mean, and I hope for the best. So you're out in the world now and you realize, say, you are a good person and you really want to contribute. You can't now sit down in yourself, get up out of yourself and now and say, yo, make it a mission to help push Jamaica forward, because Jamaica really need it. You know what I mean? They really, really, really need the help to push forward. You know what I mean? So we are doing the best we can do. Do the best what you can do too. You know, as an individual. Nobody watch who say and who say that, because a lot of people say the things but they don't do nothing at all.
You know what I mean? Whether I kick back when I reach here, well, a reason I say, wonder if I ever wait till the white people them come discover us, like Christopher Columbus. You know what I mean? Or the real people them go out the world, go stand up and put the thing forward because it's really necessary. Where crime rate is in Jamaica, you know for there so. But if certain result, I'm going to show you one thing I know. I read between the line fast and fast. Because you go say I talk too much, I don't really talk too much. You ever know? Picture you have a big yard, right? We have a big yard, and in big yard you build a house in the middle of the big yard. And then you allow a bag of people to come build shop. And a lot of things round the big yard. I know everybody in the big yard have to work for people in the shop and something, and then the people look like nothing rare, this, that. Your big yard go run down. Remember that. Just think of it, of a world like that. So if you don't look out for your own, you know what I mean? You have to try slice out piece of the yard and say, you in our house, you go get on place also. You go up in our shop, you go up in our Jesus shop. You know, you just do that for the people them. Whoever this must reach to, make it reach to them. Do something for the people them from ya. Make them can help ya. Because who no come from ya, now go care about ya. And me no expect them to care about ya. You understand? Because you couldn't expect them to care about ya. You're that fool if you expect them to care about ya. So if you find ya, help fix ya. Nobody sit down so and said there, boy bad, but what? We're doing something, do something too. Nobody complain and talk about it because we have action in a way and we're alive. So once we're alive, we have a choice. So let's make it. You know what I mean? Let's make the right choice and do the right thing. You know what I mean? It's a sad note I come upon today because of what going. You don't know what going already? Alright? So let the person then rest in peace. We can live with us all. You know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground for your device. I'm out.
Action. Yeah, man, so you know, say. What's that?
Ready, man. Ready. Ready now.
Ready? Yeah, man, so guess what you have to do? You have to know, say, your thing out. You know what I mean? Just hold your rose them.
Yo, God no.
Cool out.
God no. Except for the one time.
One time.
Yeah, man. And action.
Yo, God no. Except for the one time when me are bad. You couldn't stand up in your son.
Come to Alton, man.
Don't just see that one. Come on, Alton.
Brother, this is what we can.
Kind of want to try hold it.
Serious.
Ready.
Yo, except for the one time when me are bad, you couldn't stand up yourself to me here.
I'm coming back.
And action.
Yo, except for the one time when me are bad, you couldn't stand up and shot to me in front of my woman. That me I tell you.
I feel my woman.
Big up yourself.
Hey, yo, come on, please. Come on, please. Hey, come on, please. Come on, please. No, come back, yourself. No, come back. Let's go. You're lucky, yo. You're lucky, yo. I told me I want to show you some of your bad man